From AccuWeather.com, this is AccuWeather Daily, a brief host-read article. It's weather news in a nutshell. Dry air is once again expanding over the central and eastern U.S. and will even reach into the southeast in the wake of rain from Tropical Storm Imelda. AccuWeather's Bill Deggers said that a dominating area of high pressure will keep a large swath of the Midwest, the Northeast, and Mid-Atlantic largely dry through the first week or two of October. The dry stretch will benefit outdoor activities, construction projects, some fall festivities, and harvesting operations, but it could also create some issues. Weeks of little or no rain from August to much of September have already resulted in an extensive area of abnormally dry to extreme drought conditions. While the recent rain may have briefly helped drought conditions in the short term, the impending stretch of dryness will likely cause drought to expand and intensify. The rain from last week has given a slight boost in water levels along the Ohio and Mississippi rivers. Both rivers are heavily used to transport goods, grain, and other materials. However, with the new extended period of little or no rain setting up, water levels will again drop to critically low levels, negatively impacting tug and barge operations. Many small streams and agricultural ponds in the central and eastern states are drying up as groundwater levels plummet in some locations, which can affect well water systems. Unless the pattern changes, some communities may be facing drought restrictions in the coming weeks. As the landscape dries, large swings in temperature from day to night are expected. The mornings can be chilly with frost and even some freezes in store for northern tier states by midweek. Daytime temperatures will rise quickly during the midday and afternoon, reaching near summer levels without the high humidity. A quick cool down will occur in the evenings. As this dry pattern persists, the combination of low humidity, dry brush, and fallen leaves will increase the wildfire risk across much of the eastern U.S. The only exception may be the southeast, where moisture from the Atlantic, Gulf, and Caribbean may linger and rebound into next week. Areas from the southwest Atlantic to the Gulf and western Caribbean will be monitored by AccuWeather's team of hurricane experts for budding tropical activity in the wake of Imelda and Umberto during October. Shifting our focus out west, the flow of moisture responsible for drenching thunderstorms in the southwest U.S. is at an end as a storm pushing onshore in the northwest will break the pattern in the coming days. Into the new week, there will be a significant downturn in the amount of showers and thunderstorms over the interior southwest. AccuWeather's Chad Merrill said that the pattern coming up this week represents a typical October setup, with a storm bringing needed rain, but also gusty winds to the northwest. Some rain will extend as far to the south as coastal areas of central California and parts of the Sierra Nevada. The most recent surge of tropical moisture from Mexico led to the most single-day rainfall of the year in Phoenix. During most of the summer, the big downpours had avoided the Arizona desert metropolis. During the nearly 4-month period from June 1st to September 25th, 1.36 inches of rain fell, scattered over many days. The rain came with a vengeance and then deposited 1.64 inches for the calendar day and 1.85 inches spanning September 26th and 27th. Phoenix had its 19th driest summer on record with 95 hundredths of an inch of rain, but then it has at least seen its 5th wettest September on record with 2.25 inches of rain. The recent rains, where they occurred, are expected to provide only temporary relief from drought conditions. During the late spring to early summer, a change in wind direction from the west to the south is known as the North American monsoon. This seasonal shift in wind direction, similar to the monsoon in India and Southeast Asia, directs more humid air and rich tropical moisture over the southwest states and produces a marked uptick in thunderstorms. When winds shift back to the west, it signals the arrival of colder season storms that take hold over this part of North America. Now, this process began weeks earlier, farther to the north in Canada. But for the southwest states, This pattern change this time of the year is a dry one and can bring substantial warmth. That's all for now. You can find more regional forecasts and science-based articles at AccuWeather.com. And for your local forecast at your fingertips, download the AccuWeather app. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe. I'll be back tomorrow with more from AccuWeather.